Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between all three of these robot vacuum cleaners. On the right, that's the Dream X40 Ultra. In the middle, that's the Yui X10 Pro Omni. And on the left, that's the Roborock Qevo Max V. Okay, so here we have the bottom of all three mopping robots. So the Roborock Qevo Max V, it has spinning mop pads, single brush roller, side brush. The mop pads, it can raise up and down. And once in a while you will have to take these off and clean them, put them in the laundry or replace them. But the Max V can also extend this off to the side so it cleans right next to the side. And all three of them have an internal tank, and as they're mopping they put water down on top of the mop to keep it wet.
Mop mount installed.
Here's the Yui. It does have a single brush roller, side brush, its mop pads. It can raise and lower them also, and once in a while you do have to take them off. It cannot move them side to side. They're fixed position. Over here on the Dream, its mop pads removed. It can move one to the side, and again it puts solution down, and they're easy to replace and change also. Its side brush can move in and out. These side brushes are fixed. Okay, the Yui X10 Pro Omni is going to start cleaning. All right, there's the first muddy paw print. Yeah, not bad. And it will auto lift the mop pads when it senses that carpet. And it also increases the suction power when it's on carpet. Now it's going to go around and do the perimeter. There's some coffee in the corner. It does a pretty good job. The X40 can extend and get that corner. Now it can't mop right next to the kitchen cabinets. It's doing a good job on that carpet. Auto lifting its mop pads and vacuuming. All right, it's doing a good job on those muddy paw prints. Okay, so the task is finished. We do have some of the muddy paw prints. I could have put it on 2 passes. Okay, so I told it to go clean that 2 times now. It was going to come back and dock and clean its mop pads. Okay, here it is doing its 2nd pass. Yep, it's doing a pretty good job. Okay, so now it's all done. We did leave a little bit of the muddy paw prints. It's going to come back, wash the mop pads, and dry them, and auto empty. Okay, here comes the Qevo. See, it can extend that mop pad to get close to appliances and walls. All right, it's cleaning the muddy paw prints also, but it can lift the mop pads and start vacuuming carpet. All right, it's doing a pretty good job. Let's see how it does in the corner. About the same as the Yui, but it is able to extend that mop pad. And it can get right next to the kitchen cabinets. Alright, did a pretty good job with those muddy paw prints. Now I left even the ones that the Yui X10 didn't get and added a few extra ones. Alright, it's going to clean this carpet since it's got its mop pads raised. Now it has the lowest suction of all three, and it can raise its mop pads the lowest, 10 millimeters. The Yui it can raise 12 millimeters. And the Dream X40 can leave its mop pads back at the base station. But this is doing a really good job vacuuming this carpet. Okay. And again, it doesn't have any onboard sensors, but it knows that it was dirty from the last time. Not sure how it does that. Oh man, it almost got all of it. Okay, so the Qevo is all done. It picked up a lot of stuff. Okay, so the Dream X40 is going to start washing these mop pads, or cleaning these muddy paw prints. Now the Dream X40 is the quietest of the three, and it can extend that flex arm out to get under things and next to walls and in corners. Just like it can extend that mop pad. Now the Dream X40 also has the best obstacle avoidance of the three. It's also going to take a picture of that cable and it's going to avoid it. Now the Dream X40 is going to do something a little different. In the app, I've got it programmed when it senses carpet, it's going to remove the mop pads. So it's going to do all the mopping and vacuuming of this hardwood floor. Then it's going to come back. It's going to go remove the mop pads and then it's going to come back and vacuum that without its mop pads. There's that coffee. Wow, that's pretty cool how it can get that corner clean. Extends the mop pad. And again, it is the quietest of the three. Okay, so it has a dirt detect right now. It stops vacuuming and mops only. Then it starts vacuuming again. There's that leftover stubborn stain. Oh wow, it's doing a good job. Those three marks right there, the others could not get up. That slowing down, that camera on the front does a good job of identifying this dirty area. There's that pump you hear, putting more water down. Wow. There's it. Dirt detect again, slows down. You can notice the side brush stops turning too. Wow, it's doing a great job. Yep. That was a pretty good job. Okay, it's going to go back to the dock and remove those mop pads, and then it's going to vacuum that carpeted area. There they are. And it can reattach them when it's all done. Now it will increase suction also when it senses it's on carpet. Now the X40 has the highest suction of all three. It's got 12,000 pascals. Wow, doing a great job on this carpet. Did it leave that little bit? Okay.
Returning to the dock to charge.
It did leave a little bit on that carpet. And you'll hear a clunk also when it reattaches them. Okay, and the Dream is going to finish. It's going to do a whole nother cleaning of this area because it sensed that dirt and now it's going to do an extra cleaning on it. I really do like all three of these robot vacuum cleaners. The Yui X10 does a really good job at a reasonable price. The Dream X40 is the most expensive of the three and it does an excellent job. It has some more technology built in that helps it see dirt and clean it a little bit better. And the Roborock is also kind of the middle range that I do like and does a great job. Easy to work on, easy to clean. The apps on all three of these work very well, and I'm very happy with all three of them. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. I love what I do. I love buying these with my own money and giving you an honest review. My reviews are real world, honest reviews. There's not testing of putting gauges on it and stuff. There's a place for that. That's just not my videos right now. My videos are, I'm putting it in my house. My house has stuff everywhere. I have a dog. you know, and I've got these muddy paw prints that I'm putting on the floor that I'm trying to simulate things that could happen to you in real world. So that's kind of my videos where they come from, a real world experience. I love what I do. I love doing these videos. I love buying them with my own money. That way I can tell you I am not held by anybody on this video. I mean, I can say anything I want about these products. I don't get emails from them. I don't get anything. And that's just such a refreshing feeling. I've had stuff sent to me in the past, and then you're on an email with them. And then if it's not right, they may email you and say, we don't like this. I don't want to do that anymore. I want to buy them with my own money. And if you click on the links down below the video here, it'll take you to Amazon. Sometimes it takes you to Walmart. I'm an affiliate with both of those. And what that means is if you click on that link, it'll take you to Amazon or Walmart. The product won't cost you anymore if you end up buying it, but I do get a very small commission from that sale. And then that way it supports my channel and I can continue to buy those. Again, I really do like all three, but I can say anything I want about them. And I'm here to help. I'm here to show people, you know, this is a lot of money to spend on these robot vacuum cleaners. And so I'm just so excited about the future and what's going on, and I love what I'm doing. And some of my best, you know, I've gotten some comments that wanted me to change a few things, and I was a little hurt by them, but those have been some of the best changes I've made. So at first I'm like, but then I'm really, okay, some of your best improvements come from honest feedback. And so I really do appreciate the honest feedback. Again, check out my Instagram page. I got a Facebook group page, Just a Dad Videos Facebook group page. It's in the links down below in the description. Free giveaways there. Again, just having fun. Me and Fiona, and the wife's upstairs, and we're just having so much fun, loving what we're doing. And thank you so much. And look who made these muddy paw prints. I guess you get a treat.